Hello, my beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you for the watch this my video. My people, as soon as know for this our channel, say we they bring gists. Apropos anything we don't concern gist. Now with the land for this our channel. That's why you see, say this channel with the column. Apropos Saga TV. Anyway, if you don't see that channel news and gist what they do for dear. My people, I beg, make una continue to encourage this channel by subscribing. Just subscribe. It don't take anything from you. Subscribe, put on your notification bell, like and share. I will also appreciate all of you when they watch our video, when they share our video, when also they like this our video. We really do appreciate you all. Okay, guys, I go leave una make una watch this video. This is our latest gist. May I leave una make una watch am. Okay, my people, I will see you now for my next video. Bye bye.
And when she come on live video, come tell us say the Oyibo na oduga, the Oyibo na get money. They say if you see Oyibo we can born for, they say me will take it make you bring the Oyibo picture. If she go agree tell truth, because they get the Oyibo picture. In case if you go bring another person picture come outside. I tell you say now they use now they bring on self come outside. Because when people come start to the investigate, they bring on real details. That on our same person they pass the boundary. Now you they bring yourself come outside. So this one now the same man will tell you that Oyibo when you take the brag for live video. The same man will tell you when you bring the Oyibo picture out. The same if you see Oyibo not get anything. Oyibo not get anything. Only what you get for them a paper. When it's Oyibo rich. He no get anything. They say fate Oyibo better pass the Oyibo. Akbarakus. They call this. They say fate Oyibo better get pass fate Oyibo. Share this video. They say maybe you can't show us the Oyibo picture. They say maybe you can't show us the Oyibo picture. Because they get the picture in case if they lie, we'll publish them. The same we tell her, make she can't show us Oyibo picture because when I know say when she did live video, she did don't say now see Oyibo, now Oyibo make life better me. Now lie yo. There's a ebona go be na you see osa or bien na share this video. And they come. There's a case. Now she walk the feet that man. They say Dioma. When I say Dioma, when I wait Dioma, oh and only waiting Dioma hold my feet do for her. Now paper. Kate was walking doing prostitution. He did Oyibo house when Kate started to do vaga people husband. They say you can't show us Oyibo picture. Because they know Oyibo use like better. They say Oyibo not get anything. Come. When you do Oyibo house, you know they walk, they do a shishi. Take the feet. Because you want to now say faith. Do Oyibo house, you want to do a churches. When you do Oyibo house, what you make the pursue for that church? And two, what you do when you do Oyibo house? They say that Kate they walk. Based on only waiting the night you must not go lie. Only waiting to Oyibo to for a paper. A bay, the woman make her get a bay. But the man, a old man, he don't get anything. Can they walk, they feed that man? He said, "Mona ask what he make it leave that man." But why una know say people know una riches? Una no go hide una self, say, make I do my own, no, make I not bring my ugly face. So, why una know they hide una self? He said, "Man, you can't show your Oyibo picture." He said, if you talk for live video, she could hear the shame, say, why people they lie? And Sarah Tibo doctor say you are a liar. He said go to look and say, oh my God, why this woman? They let you go hungry and make it inside where you for the top, make it go dive you, use finger and go your mouth. Share this video, guys. Make she go use finger go your mouth. Because not be Oyibo when he know. Not be Oyibo when he know. Oyibo may lie better me. Oyibo there's a way to collect money. He said man you can't show us the Oyibo. He said, you can't give us proof about the Oyibo. Hold man, and man, you can't swear if you not do Oyibo at the door, shower they walk. Whether not be you, they carry the responsibility. We get our women like that. Now name say we marry Oyibo. But the rest thing that they do, we get. Even this city here, we get. Now in the carry Oyibo, they go ask straight everything and shit they pay. Only with you one on paper. There's something we ask you because this one, I want quickly do this work. I don't know that I'll get and take come at the evening, guys. More than others. So I want quickly call bring out with cool voice. Now question, me call ask you. Question, let me call ask it. My people. There's someone who ask it, oh, Oyibo no get motor. Oyibo no get motor. Oyibo no get nothing. Now she they take care of old man. The man don't pension. When he call the talk say get man pension. The man don't pension. Take on almost don't pension. Now which money he gets? And now old man. He say waiting make it marry that man. Now because of a bay. Say make it give her a bay. Kate begin they do a shewo, they do a shishi, they rent house, they pay bills. When she call live video, oh wait, Joma they follow streets. Oh wait, Joma na streeter. He said Joma nek bogbe as a Joma win. Like, how will I put this word, guys? The old man when his life don't finish. When nobody get waiting to do with her. He said that she marry. And based on the Oyibo, now only paper she feel achieve from that man. All those always say Oyibo make her get money. And if you want rich, they say that waiting she want a blue as he talk. That thing when he do for Nigeria about pick sand, na lie. Nothing she see. She probably do and make people for career. She probably tell that person, tell that woman make her do her. Na lie. Because the people do the video, say, Percy go peace sign for Percy Domo. The video can't go viral because he want me name go viral. He said this one when you're the torso. Now make people but then you say, oh, he marry Oyibo. He said that money when he go collect, not be you. Go guys. He said that money when he go collect. No, if you come for Nigeria, I can't show us the money. Borrow pose. They say that borrow she dey borrow pardon. When you talk of borrow, here we borrow keti wa borrow le la bitu okay. Borrow. He can thief, he can do prostitution, she can steal. He said why she go dey talk for live video say my Oyibo make life better me. The woman go say, this woman say, he go grab me, go dive in mats for inside the live video. I be no be Oyibo when me I know. I be another Oyibo day when this woman they talk. I be another Oyibo day when this woman they talk about. Awe bonagbe Oyibo when agongbe Oyibo when life finish Oyibo when life don't pain. Na he born for. They say Oyibo all the logo is the logo for. My people. That's how you bought the logo. Jesus. That's how you bought. They say, "May God, Kate, more than send this very video to her. Come and show us the white man you get married to. Come and give us the picture. Hey, now make they say you read a lie. That's how you bought the bologo. The bologo up and down. That's how you share this video. That's how you bought the bologo. He said, Vera, tell her make it cause show us the Oyibo picture. Because he know the man. In case if he lie, he go bring a corner person when he take close to her. He get the time we take, we know na friend now. He then snap together about the Oyibo and he said get the picture. He shock. Cause show us. Hey. Come and show us. They say Oyibo, Agbogbo Oyibo, And Joma life don't finish. And they come and see your letters. He say, if you don't finish, you go as I tell you, sir, you go carry this one, you go carry, you go take knock each other. Who you know offend, you go call the verse for you. You know go no say Kate don't enter. As she dey do for live video, so you know go no say she don't enter inside. Meanwhile, now all was pass. You know go no say that when she called the laugh face, say Faith marry you. Kate, they say make I tell you, make you bring your Igbo picture. Yes. They saw your Igbo, you know, get shishi. Epo na gbogbe, now you marry. All the way you get for them, say she no go lie. Now let paper, you give passport. Yes, na truth. But you say, or you both get money, it may lie better. It's may come bring the proof. He say, may you come bring the proof. House where no get go say na he get her. Land where no get go say na he get her. Money where no get go say na he get it. They say, una never know her. Hey! I never know her. Things when she no get, she could say that she get them. And she said they use money and house. Now me get this house. He say, oh my God. He said, oh, who they don't really know anyway. He said, anyway, who they don't really know. He said, Kate, which Oyibo get? He said, Oyibo get house when they give you. Oyibo get house. He said, whether when you get Oyibo house, not you they carry bills. He said, which house Oyibo give you? So we go bring the details come. The details of the property that he left behind for you. Say you should go and bring it. Oh, regard boy. Where? Oh, regard boy. Your name is Jodeliko. This one is who I don't know. Thank you, I'm a boss lady man. This one is who I don't know from Adam. Close friend to you, and I know you don't go know it because you get many bad people. People where they follow now. This very one a good person. I don't want me you know. He said the Oyibo, you, she, and the Oyibo una get a snap picture. She gets the picture. She get the picture. So he said, let me tell you. May you call show the Oyibo when he say make life better you. He want no now, Vera, who they lie among of them. Whether na lie come tell me, or na lie get the lie for live video. Because he is going to bring the video and the pictures out. But may she call show the Oyibo when she take a brag for live video. And if he show and a wrong person she show, he will tell me. He say, save my number, don't save her number. He says, save my number. I will send you everything you need to know about Oda. Yes. The thing what you put left behind, say you bring the details, bring the proof, bring the everything. No, they don't sack you, my darling. They don't sack you, I beg. Share this video. I went no man girl about one. Because say faith not the talk. You want oppressor. People there when you want fight with their last blood for kids. Faith. Because which one I do faith. Many people is aware in that bedroom. Many people know as soon as they use faith. Many people know which one I do to faith. Many people know the using, the money, the time, everything that passed there. We made a verse. Which one I do faith. And you get the ghost at the infantry to come on live video to lie. To lie about her. Meanwhile, now old man, now you both only what to achieve for that old man is paper. The rest everything now lie. All is lie, propaganda. He said, you can't show us Oyibo when make life better you. He said, you can't bring the evidence of that Oyibo. This one say, Vera send my number. Only what I don't want me to know my voice. Don't play it on live. They can put, they saying it, put earpiece for ear. Say what I say. All those things, they make sure and she go no say, now who know her, come meet me. Why all those nonsense? Because you are famous. Because you want make people know you by fire, by fire. You they rush. As Sarah talk yesterday, you want pass everybody. That's the reason why you are jumping up and down like frog. You they jump up and down, they lie. They lie. The reason why she felt to say, oh, you boy, if you want me, you know how to report the better person. She said, oh, is a liar. All she wanted to do, make people you want seek attention from people. And good people that know her from that bench, they refuse to give her that attention. They distract people not to mind her. When I remember, now this lady who made me call remember. When I remember one time when she come and say, if you want to know, as your Ibote bless her, as your Ibote make her become this. When I remember. The lady said when you see the video, say, who this woman they lie? Just for people to notice her. Because she won't pass everybody jealousy. They say now she get jealousy. Bring back Sarah pints. Yeah, she go bring her. She must bring back Sarah pints. So when they say you be evil, now truth say you are a really diabolic, evil human being. They say me will tell her make it bring her. Make she bring the evidence of the Oyibo when she married. Only what she got there is documents. Exactly what this fate was still fighting for. Based on Babylon and heartless, she wants to pour that girl on. Maybe say, make that girl not see get red pass, and she tell the phone say she get red pass. Why are you wicked? Even this person talking. Kate, why you there? No go here, boy. Where? Anyway, wait till I use your eyes for this social media. You are not wiry. You are not wiry. Wait till I go use my eyes see. As in, that wish wanna shop, you go die for na belly. All your details I'm going to bring go out. All of them, I will bring them out. You are so stupid. Who gave you that right? When you know what you did. Faith, oh, is even more better than your own. You do prostitution, you work to get money to feed useless Oyibo you get. At the end, you got a life for faith. Head say, faith, they do prostitution. Meanwhile, you do Oyibo as when they do a show. They come up player. I mean, Joe Woela, see Joe leg come outside. See, they say they know they pray make it a person territory. Or when they no my territory. Ah, this one another person when me I don't know. When me I don't know. Now I don't know you they talk and so. Say they know they pray make you enter person territory. They know they pray make you enter person kaba, person area. You must point that place and turn it upside down. You must point that place. And she they do for live video so. The useless atuari and the deden and wish they don't know their phone for their back. They think a better human being. They think a good human being. Come show us your Oyibo. Come show us your Oyibo. Waiting pursue you for Oyibo house. Not by look bogo. Not by. They say now pretend that the one people need to know important, vital information. They say she's a pretender. As you see her, she will be killing you. She will hide under. She will have innocent face. Pretend that she is good. Pretend that she is a nice person. Pretend that she's the. No, that's what she do for live video. But the backside. But the bad side, she's devil. Chapuna here when Sarah T-Boss they talk yesterday. He say liar, pretender. This woman say, oh. He say make people beware. When I give this video love and like my people. They say make people beware. Can a pretender. She will be killing you and she will be smiling at the same time. Deceiver, scattering people's life. as she is doing it now. He will come and say, I'm not a bad person. Who are well, Kate? Kate, you told us that Faith did not spend any money to your family. How come now you call the tell us, say, if he can't not say spend money for your brother when he don't know? You know, they see lie. If Kate not say, Faith not say, he spend money for your brother when he don't know, make he can't tell you go pay. Kate or go boy. Kate you are born now we. Kate. Ogun me boy boy. As when he talking boy. Then the beg me make her come out to your mama. Your mama picture everything I need them. Who were two were bell Katie. See what when you they talk for Mark, like really? So you have the voice, the mind. But you told us that you can swear that you do not know Faith penny. That you people did not own Faith penny. So you now come back again because we don't back Faith for back. Say any money will collect money pay. You now use pattern to come out again and say, Faith, if you don't say you spend money for my brother, why you not ask your brother? Why don't you ask your brother if Faith has spent money on him and your family? You're supposed to ask your brother that question. Say, my brother, since you are claiming as if you don't know what is on ground, una not eat her money. Why can't you ask your brother? Because you deal with your brother for Nigeria now. Not be say you there abroad, you want the call and it will take you time. Why can't you ask your brother, say, my brother, please, did you eat Faith money? Because you now is claiming that now you they give Faith money. Meanwhile, Sarah kick against you, you are a liar. That you not shop on and finish, including you. Not be cry when that girl cry. Not be use when I use that girl. Not be wait when I use that girl to do. So you not get fear. You not come on live video yesterday say, Faith, if you know say you pay money, yeah me know. We go give you back. Or go here boy. Or go here work it. Can you think we are babies? You just look us, you can toy with our brains and think we are babies that you can use. Like really. Share this video, guys. You think we are babies that you can manipulate and use and dump at the same time. As they say, you are a manipulator, you are evil, you are a bad person. But you told us that you can swear with your life that Faith not do anything. Faith not pay anything to your family. Una not the whole Faith penny. Una not collect her money. Una not shop penny. So why coming out yesterday? Say, if you can't be like that, who will be there? You want me to go bring your mama to talk up as Katie? Wait till when we go take do you. If I not draw you go in la jet that your wish when you say you they fly. That your wish when they fly. I want me to go deposit and there. Because that place they don't want winch. When winch reach there, they must confess. When we are zenny, me go draw you go in la jet. Yes. I go draw you go there. So that confession, the evil you have been doing, you will see chance confess and they will video you like all your voice go there outside. Because you think you can tell that girl and go scot-free. What I hate most is oppression. I'm fighting for justice for that girl. You told us that you know you for your mama know your sister, your Faith penny. That now let's say that buy or not this give your mama. That una know who Kate, una know who Faith shishi. Una know who Faith penny. So why yesterday coming out telling us that tell her you not come know. You just say you fit toy our brain. You not come know. You not come know now you even they give herself. You not come know. You go ask your brother if that should be the case. You go pay or go here boo. Or go here work it. You think you can toy with us? You think you can play with us and go scot-free? You think you can play with us and go scot-free? Why are you people lying? Because when you talk, you never reach 2 days and you don't change them. And you think you can toy our brain. Because you they look for view. That population will go see. And market must kill you for this one way you put body. E clamors to boy. Either you like it or not, you must market. How market now will call they ask you. And Linus Super, they will run away from you after they have used you to fight Faith and Lolo. After they have used you to fight Faith and Lolo, they will dump you. Evil view, they will not even know you are existing. Bet me. Come and mark my word. That too, they did not even send you invitation to come and help them. You got there because now you are looking for population, right? After you don't look for the population, when you don't over, they will dump you. My oh good. They send me invitation to go fight for them. And when time goes on, I see my proof. Bring. When she called me, say, Vera, please, come fight for me. I need your help. I see proof. But your own. Sorry will be the result. Sorry will be the result. Sorry, because you told us in confidence when you lie down on the bed that we are not the whole Faith money. You told us in confidence that we are not the whole Faith money. So how come you not do now? Because the teller say we are go pay. If that should be the case, I go pay. Do you tell us this from the one? Did you tell us this? I don't know. I want to ask my brother if he collect money from her. Did you tell us from the one? Okay, because now we say the money and everything wanna collect, wanna give them. You now come outside and say, we not know. I don't know whether I collect me. Now wait till you call the talk. And they call guys. Share this video. Give like and love, guys. Give me like and love. They say Uta away to Digi. Or wait Agbawe. He said they must know you for your evil atrocity. This woman, but I say this person so Kate collecting man. But he say he never want go details. He no want make him know. He say he cry. He say they go know you. I can't power for your evil character. For your evil character. I can't power for your evil character. Shebi na view you define. Always talk about way for the evil and atrocity we don't commit. Hey, God Almighty. Hey. Go for you. Where? Hey. Now, wow. Human being, I marry. Hey, my people. Share this video more day. May I suffer the war where and small. May I suffer the plan. Share it out, guys. Hey, they say a Diowanta na she born for. They say she not even wise. When call the phone say she wise. They say Udoriri. See and see hold man. They say Udoriri. See and see Edionwa. They say Edionwa we no get shishi penny. Edionwa no get anything. Udoriri get where Edionwa. They say wise, she not even wise. When she dey come on live video now say, oh, hey, Katie, everywhere say, oh, now me be very when I dey tell you now. I know they rake. Except I don't want to table your matter. Details must come. Mama boy that day when they do she like tell you when not clear. When he hear only one church where they go. When they measure the name too, as they sit and mention this church where she they go to, she no enter house. She enter house. They say old man, guys, old man. Old man, hey. Chineke na mezoku. Like really? I wait to your man. Hey, Jesus Christ. I'm coming, guys. Mona, give me love and like on this video, please, guys. Please, my people. Mona, give me love and like, please. Hey! He said, the one na Jonah. Meweyaku. Kate, what to be your Ejoma husband? Jonah. Now, Vera, you take the play. If I say I get your details, don't dare me. What to be your man, Jonah? Kona unnoa where we name. Is it yes true or false? He shock you. What to be your man? Jonah is a old man. He's a old man. When she called the come on live video, they brag. Mona share this video. I'm gonna call here. Mona call here. Jonah. Now be Kate's old man name. Where am me? As you say you want spoil faith on, you almost spoil. And you say you be witch. Now Elijah me go carry you go. Not be shoot by mama fly. Elijah now go carry you go. Yes. Elijah me ashuari. Yes, so you go beat her. Don't worry, my darling. Shout more, give me love and like. I need accolade. I need accolade. More they give me love and like. Mona come here, Kate, man. Oh, the Oyibo will not get no time. Kate, what if your Oyibo man name? Shy. He said he say wise. That Ejoma. Now Ejoma she still they call you. He said he say you wise. That Ejoma you follow even feel born for at that time. You know wise. Now agree go. Now she take see herself then. He say old man. He say he know you well now. He say may you tell no say he now who know you now come here. He said na Jonah, he call Ejoma Daniel. He said Ejoma Dan. Old fool. When she called the brag for live video, they tell us say, you both make her rich. They say bicycle you both no get. They say bicycle or you both no get oh. Chai. Jonah. They say na Jonah na video. Who dey here when they bet when you know you old you boy beg. Come tell me say Vera they lie. Jonah They say bicycle. The Oyibo no get. They say the one down the street they walk. It won't be like joking. Only waiting she fit get then at that paper. House she no get. Land she no get. All those things she says propaganda. Why she they rush for social media money? You say you get money, Waiting, why you call they run for social media? They want monetize. They want do this. They want do that. Why? Why? Oyibo buy house for me. Oyibo die leave house. Oyibo get property. Oyibo get money. Oyibo get duplex. Oyibo get this. Why are you not looking for money on social media? You want to go famous. You want to make people know you quickly. You dey find money. Take care. Go see your details. God sweet. He said, "May you know, say." He said, "Now make it tell you, say, come show us the Oyibo." Because the way you say the Oyibo, they get things. He said, "Not be Oyibo when you know when you born for." He said, "Not be Oyibo when you know when you born those two." He said, "Now two picking you born for." Yes. He said, "Now two picking now you born for." He said, "Not be you when you know." Ejioma Jone, Oyibo Jone. Shy. Shy. There is God, though. Shy. There is God in anything you are doing, oh.
Okay, my amazing people, we don't come to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Now see what Vera talk for inside this video. Anyway, me no be like saying na me judge the video or na me come analyze the video. Make una help us analyze that for the comment section. Tell us how you see this video and see you all in our next video. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and share. See you all in our next video. Bye bye.